Hi! In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. After that, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then select Files category and pick your files right away from recent ones. You can also select one of your apps instead, or click on those two filters, audio and videos. If you wish to, you can also click on those two lines at the top left corner and pick one of your sources, like downloads. Finally, hold your file that you wish to add, in my case this one, and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!